Okay guys, check it out. I was in the local game store today. I found this on clearance. I've heard of this game. It's supposed to be good. Thought you'd like to see the unboxing video. Okay, so the instruction manual is beautiful. The artwork on that, man, that is incredible. I like this game already. So the rules seem quite clear. I'll read through that later. What we got here? What's this? What's this? Ooh. Kanagawa. Never heard of that. They're making me look into more games. They want me to spend more money. Bunny Kingdom. And a Bunny Kingdom expansion. I don't know. They're clearly trying to make me spend more money. I never heard of that. I'm going to have to look into it now. Right. Ooh, setting up the game. That's nice. I like it when they tell me what I need to do. A board. I like. Ooh, terrain tiles. These are good quality. I'm impressed. The playboards, nice thick cardboard. I really like the artwork, to be honest. Score sheets. Oh, that's always good. Cards, protective wrapper. Let's have a look at these. Ooh, these are pretty. I like these. Good quality, sturdy pieces like that. There are plenty of trees because we're going to be building a hanging garden of Babylon, so you know we want good trees. I like that. The quality of these pieces is very good. I'm very impressed so far. Hopefully it plays as good as it looks. There you got a little man with a stick. I thought they were camels. They're little people with sticks. I wonder what I'm going to do with them. I don't know yet. I'm going to find out. Precious gems. You know, they actually look like semi-precious gems only. Of course they're plastic, but visually I am impressed. You got that. More semi-precious gems and more in purple. I'm impressed. I like the look. I think they look very clear. You know, a bit of plastic there, and then we have all the different shapes. So we have 3s, we have 2s. We're going to do something with these to grow our garden, and then we have ones with grass and no flowers. Is that good or bad? Ooh, that one's got a little geezer on it, so I assume you put your little man on there, and I don't know, get some points. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look through the instructions. What's this? I have no idea what this is, but I'm very excited to find out because it's good quality. The pieces are really good quality. I am very impressed. So my initial thoughts, guys, is this game is nice. The pieces are such good quality, they are going to last. And the cardboard on the game boards, it's so thick, it is going to last for an age. I can't stop going on about these gems. I mean, I know they're plastic. I can see that they're plastic, but they look so shiny. I've never seen gems in a game look this believable. And the artwork, I mean, the artwork is beautiful. Look at that. So much attention to detail has gone into this game. This is a quality build. Now, hopefully it plays as well as it looks. I'll let you know later. Subscribe and like if you want to see my next video, which will be a review and how-to guide on how to play this game.